Finally, our microphone is here. Guys, let's check what is in this box. Okay, now we have our MV7X here. Yeah, looking at the built-in quality, you can see that the microphone is well packaged. Yeah, this is from a verified shop. Yeah, B&H. Yeah, so for those who are asking, where can I get drone, where can I get microphone, you can search on Google B&H. It is the shop located in the US. So like I was saying, this is the podcast mic, that is it, the MV7X. With this one, you already only have the XLR jack, yeah, the XLR jack, and that is all. While for the MV7S, you're going to have the XLR jack, the USB Type-C port, and headphone jack. We are going to be looking at the box. This one is the insurance and the rest. So if you can scan here to check if this is authentic or not. Let's just move straight and open and check what is here. Yeah, so we just take off that one and we remove, open the box, and this one like that, take it out. Wow, this is very heavier. So you can see here the right, what is there? Welcome to better sound, meaning with this you have good sound. Anyhow, let's just check and see. So we open, wow, open, oh, this way, open here like this, and you're going to see Shure sound extraordinary, something like that. That one we all know. So this is the beast inside. So you take out the microphone here like this. Here is the microphone, and what else is in the box? We have, this is an attachment if you want to attach to a microphone boom or a boom amp and the rest. This one, and what is inside again, that is all. Okay, we have this one is the from Shure. What is this? Before using, okay, indication and the rest. So you have to read this before you start manipulating or before start using. And we have the user, okay, this is the warranty from Shure, and it also have a bar. You can see there, that's the bar to show that this is an authentic product. Okay, so, and this one is the user guide, the manual, so you can read this to know how to use it and the rest. So that was that for what is in the box, guys. Excuse me, we keep it back and move on straight to the microphone. Okay, here is the monster. This one here like this, you can see that the built-in quality is good. Take it out and you're going to see that the microphone is heavy, guys. It's heavy, to prove that this is real equipment. So take this one down, and behind you're going to see, like I explained before, it is only having the XLR port, while the MV7S has a USB-C port and headphone jack. So you can just plug and play with that one. That one is more expensive. This one is just XLR, only one port, so this one is less expensive. So poor people like us, we settle for cheap things. Anyhow, that was an outside. So guys, looking at the microphone building quality is really good, and the only problem with me is that this Shure, the logo is too big. It's too big. You know, you cannot be buying something like this for almost $260 and still promoting them for free and the rest. So guys, that was that. And you can take off this foam if you don't want to use it. Take off the foam and use it like that. But quality use and filter and the rest, so we have to fill in the foam. You can also replace this foam. Yeah, you can order it from Amazon or B&H the same to fit it here. So guys, that is that. And with this one, this is where you can hold it to attach to the mic, the boom arm. Yeah, like this one, you can just undo this one and put this one here and you are good to go. And this one, you can see that it's a little bit weak, right? You can tie it like this to make it stronger. You understand? You tie it to make it solid. Yeah, you see that it will be much better now, like when you see here. So that is that, guys. If you like this microphone, you want to get it, the name of the microphone is Shure MV7. Okay, so you can check it on Amazon or B&H or any website that you think sells camera equipment and the rest. So that was that for today for this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and share it to family and friends, because that's what gives us the motivation to do more videos like this. Thank you very much and hope to see you again in our subsequent video. Bye bye.